This is a 5x5 element Shaggy for 2 meters and 70 centimeters UHF and VHF antenna. So this is an end mount Yagi. We have the mounting bracket at the back of the antenna. We have the gamma match. We have an SO239 feed point connected to the boom. And this one is the gamma match for UHF. The other side is the gamma match for VHF. So I'm going to put a marking tapes in between those tuning stub. So you just need to put back the tuning stub in between those marking tapes. So let's check the frequency response of this antenna. This is now configured and connected to my antenna analyzer. So the frequency of the antenna is for the amateur band 144 and 144 and 432 megahertz UHF. The bandwidth is around 420 to 440 megahertz on UHF, as we can see on the antenna analyzer. So this one is connected to the antenna, as we can see from here. So let's check the frequency response. For 432, we have 1.3 BSWR. Lowest dip is around 431 and 430, as we can see on the curve. For the VHF band, 144 is the center frequency, but this will be used for 147. So let's check the frequency on 147 megahertz. As we can see here, it's around 1.4 or 1.37. For 148 is around 1.3. So let's check the frequency curve. But first, let's check the UHF side. The intended frequency of use is 432 megahertz. So we need to adjust the frequency readout. So as we can see here, it's 1.3 BSWR on 432 megahertz. Four three three is 1.4, 434 is 1.4, 435 is 1.5. So less than 1.5:1 BSWR across the band. The frequency band for the UHF side is from 420 to 440, and the intended frequency of use is 432 megahertz at 1.3 BSWR. So let's check the VHF side. So let's move this to 140. So 140 megahertz to, let's put this to 150 megahertz. So as we can see here, we have 140 to 150 megahertz, the frequency, the scanning frequency. We have the center frequency at around 144. So let's check that. Let's set that to 0, and the center frequency is 144 at 1.0 BSWR, but the antenna will be used on 147. Our frequency on 147 is around 1.3 BSWR, So across the frequency, 140 to 150 megahertz, we have one less than 1.5 is to 1 VSWR. So the antenna is properly working, and this one is going to Samar, Leyte.